In the previous lecture, we have discussed ionization isomerism with examples. In this lecture, we are going to discuss another type of isomerism, that is hydrate isomerism or solvate isomerism. Actually, this hydrate isomerism is a special case of solvate isomerism. When we are discussing with respect to the water molecules, then that is hydrate isomerism. Okay. So generally we discuss only hydrate isomerism in the intermediate stage. So here, what is the hydrate isomerism? The complexes which have same molecular formula but number of H2O molecules in coordination sphere and ionization sphere are different are known as hydrate isomers, and the property is called hydrate isomerism. Okay. So molecules having same molecular formula. Okay. But the number of H2O molecules in the coordination sphere and in the ionic sphere, means outside the coordination sphere, are different. They are called as hydrate isomers. Okay. And here in these all complexes, in the hydrate isomers, the only difference is the number of molecules of crystallization. Okay, number of water molecules of crystallization, that we discuss with an example. First, here we have to know that in complexes, okay, in complex compounds or in the coordination compounds, water molecule present in the two different ways. Okay, so here number one is inside the coordination sphere. Okay, water molecule may present inside the coordination sphere, that is as a ligand. When water molecule is present inside the coordination sphere, that act as ligand. And another one is that when water molecule is present outside the coordination sphere, outside the coordination sphere, that is in the ionic sphere, that is act as a water of crystallization. Okay, as water of crystallization. Okay, so water molecule may act as ligand when that is present inside the coordination sphere, and when that is present outside the coordination sphere, that is as a water of crystallization. Okay, let us discuss with an example. Suppose this is the molecular formula of the coordination compound. Okay, this is one possible isomer. Now, we can write, now what happens? One of the water molecule is coming into the coordination sphere and one of the chloride ligand is going outside the coordination sphere. See here, look at the difference between these two. Here water molecule is coming into the coordination sphere and here one of the chloride is going outside the coordination sphere. Okay, so just water molecule is exchanged between the coordination sphere and ionic sphere, and another water molecule is coming into the coordination sphere, another chloride is going outside the coordination sphere, and finally okay, so these are the four possible isomers with this molecular formula. See here, 3 water molecules as crystallization. So here only 2 water molecules, here only 1 water molecule is present, and here no water molecule. Here 3 water molecules act as ligand, here 4 water molecules, 5, and here all the ligands are water molecules only. Okay, so these are hydrate isomers. Okay, clear? So now, and one more thing here is that when you are going from this complex to this complex, molar conductivity increases. Okay, this is also another important thing. Molar conductivity increases because the number of ions formed increases. Okay, when you are going from here to here, number of ions formed increases. So that's why what happens, molar conductivity increases. So here no ions are formed, zero ions. But here, suppose if you take this one, I will write here. Okay, see here we get two ions. One is a complex ion, another one is the counter ion. Similarly, here we get three ions, two Cl minus ions, one complex ion. Here we get total four ions, three Cl minus ions and one complex ion. Okay, so in this way, so I will write for this one, for example. See here we have total 4 ions, 3 Cl minus ions, this is the complex ion. So from here to here number of ions formed in the solution increases. So that's why molar conductivity also increases. Okay, and these hydrate isomers, they have different physical properties and different chemical properties. That is also very important thing you have to remember. Okay, they have different physical properties or different chemical properties even though they have same molecular formula. Okay, based on the molar conductivity also questions are asked in the previous cases. So that's why very simple, just you have to identify how many ions are formed. Okay, more number of ions, more molar conductivity, less number of ions, less molar conductivity. Okay, now let us discuss another important example. Now let us see another example here. This is the molecular formula of the complex, and here these are the different possible isomers. See here, 6 water molecules are acting as ligands. Next here 5 water molecules act as ligand and 1 water molecule is coming outside of the coordination sphere. Here one chlorine and one water molecules both are exchanged with each other. Okay, chlorine is going inside and water molecule is coming outside. See here 5 water molecules as ligand, here 4 water molecules, here 3 water molecules. Okay, so here just what is happening, water molecule is exchanged between the coordination sphere and ionization sphere. Okay, so now another thing, see look at the colors, no need to by heart these colors, only for understanding purpose we have taken these colors. Okay, so they have same molecular formula but they are exhibiting different colors. Because as the ligands is changing, then color is also changes. See here we have 6 aqua ligands, but here 5 aqua ligands and 1 chlorido ligand, 4 and 2, 3 and 3. Okay, so as ligands changes, then the color exhibited is also changing. Okay, so here violet, blue, dark green and yellow green color. Different isomers have different colors. And also, what about the molar conductivity, top to bottom? Molar conductivity increases or decreases? See, from top to bottom, molar conductivity decreases. Okay, molar conductivity decreases because the number of ions formed decreases. So that's why molar conductivity also decreases. For example, if you write for this, here we get so 3 chloride ions, 1 complex ion, total 4 ions we get. Suppose if you take this one, two chloride ions, 1 complex ion, total 3 ions. Same here we get total 2 ions, here no ions. So in that way, as the number of ions decreases, molar conductivity also decreases. Okay, this is about hydrate isomerism. In the next lecture, we discuss linkage isomerism. Okay, thank you.